Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In this video, we will be discussing how to write a report when we are given a pie chart. First, let us see the question for discussion. The question goes like this. The pie chart below shows the main reasons why agricultural land becomes less productive. The table shows these causes affected three regions of the world during the 1990s. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. As mentioned in the previous video, we shouldn't jump into the fair draft. Take at least 10 to 15 minutes to work on your rough draft. This is the format of the rough draft for the report which we are going to write. First, we will start with the introduction. In the introduction, we must paraphrase the given question, and you needn't add any additional information or data. Next, we shall move on to the overview. In the overview, I'm going to mention the striking key factors like what are the two massive factors leading to land degradation and the sequence of the countries according to the percentage of land degraded. Now, we shall move on to the detailed paragraph 1. In the detailed para 1, I'm going to emphasize on the data given to us in the pie chart. This is the percentage of each cause for land degradation globally. After which, I'm going to anecdote the key points to be written in the detailed para 2. In detail para 2, I'm going to explain the table that is given to us along with the pie chart. Here, I'm going to mention the proportion of cost of land degradation in the given three countries, that is, Europe, North America, and Oceania. We needn't write a conclusion for the report writing. Now, we shall start writing the fair draft. The pie chart outlines main reasons for degradation of farming land worldwide. The table lists the percentage of land degradation caused in the three regions in the world in 1990s. In general, deforestation and overgrazing are two massive factors for agricultural land degradation globally. It can be seen that Europe has the highest percentage of total land degraded, followed by Oceania and North America. Looking at the details, overgrazing and deforestation amass more than 50% land degradation, 35% and 30% respectively. In contrast, overcultivation and other causes confirm 28% and 7% individually. The highest land degradation had occurred in Europe, which was 23%, followed by Oceania, that included Australia and New Zealand and a large part of South Pacific, with 13%, and North America with 5%. The proportion of desertification, surplus farming, and excess herding which had led to Europe land's procuring capability are 9.8%, 7.7%, and 5.5%. These three reasons constitute 0.2%, 3.3%, and 1.5% respectively in North America. Overcultivation has zero impact in Oceania as it was mostly affected by overpasturing, that is 11.3%, and deforestation, 1.7%. Hope you've got a clear idea of how to write a report when you are given with a pie chart. If the video was informative, then like and share our video. Subscribe our channel for future videos and click on the bell button to get notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.